Good morning Year 4, so it's Thursday the 2nd of July, it's our literacy lesson and today we're going to be writing a set of instructions. And this week we've been looking at putting instructions into order, using imperative verbs, and we've also had a go at planning as well. But today we're going to create a set of instructions, so hopefully you'll know what it is that you're going to be making. So we need our title, list of equipment, include them imperative verbs, opening sentence, maybe include a fact, closing sentence, what should they have achieved, and a picture or a diagram is always lovely so you can see what you're going to be making. Now, I have put on here, and it might be useful for you to pause the video now because here is a lovely word bank of lots of different imperative verbs that I've thought of. So let's just have a look at some of them. Pour, mix, scrub, chop, slice, open, add, place, attach, fill and fold. Okay, those are just some examples, and if you are struggling it might be useful to pause the video now whilst I'm out of the way and then you can see some of those as well. Okay, so all of the stars require you to create your own set of instructions. Remember to include imperative verbs and to keep it in order. So I'm just going to show you on the visualiser your layout. Okay, depending on which star you've decided to do, it will start off with it'll start off with your recipe for, if you want to do the one that's got the layout there for you, so you could bullet point your ingredients, your equipment, you've got your description, and then underneath you've got a set of instructions which you can follow. The other writing frames that you've got are here. So you've got writing instructions. Now you've already got the start of your title there ready. How to make a, and then you can write down what you wanted to do there. Now the 4-star is very similar, but I've actually taken that bit out because it might be that you want to build a spaceship, it might be that you want to create a painting, anything that you like. And then you've got your boxes ready for your subheadings. So you've got ingredients, equipment, and then your set of instructions is called the method. So that's going to be the method there. So you can use time conjunctions, especially if you're on the 4-star. You could be saying firstly, secondly, then, after that, just so it gives a little bit more fluency for the reader. But you're definitely going to be using then imperative verbs. Now I know that there isn't space for your diagram, but you can turn over your sheet and there is a blank space there for you to use. So you can have a big diagram all the way here, which I could have my pot, because mine was to grow your own sister. So I've got my pot here. And I'm going to grow my own sister, so it's going to start off, and you could maybe even have a step 1 and then a step 2 of how it progresses as you follow the instruction. So I could start to have my sister growing off the stalk. And if you are in my class, if you are in 4C, you will know that I absolutely love drawing, but I only like to draw stickmen because I'm not the greatest drawer. But there we go, there is my sister that I've grown in my pot, and I've shown just how it started from step 1 to step 2, and then I can start labelling it. So I could put pot, And then label here because I do want to have some soil. And then obviously sister. I might put on the first one that I've planted some magic seeds. Okay, and the diagram is just showing the reader what each stage should look like. So I could put stage 1 and maybe stage 2, or you could have many more than that, or just your final product. It is up to you, but I really hope you enjoy doing this, and I want you to come up with lots of creative ideas. So it could be how to, and then tell me what you are doing. What are your instructions? Tell me what ingredients you're going to use. Tell me what equipment you're going to use, and then you've got your method. Good luck, everybody.